What's up, everyone? It's your girl Grace. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What in back-to-back videos? It's about cooking. Listen, let me tell y'all some tea. So y'all know I have a heart condition and I'm currently working right now, but I had surgery. I don't know if I mentioned that in the last video that I had surgery about 2-3 weeks ago, but because of that, I have been on medical leave, so I haven't been working that much. And so I'm kind of bored, and I'm seeing a lot of stuff happening on TikTok about Valentine's stuff, and the Super Bowl is tomorrow, so people are making like appetizers and whatnot. So I'm gonna be making Super Bowl appetizer buffalo chicken egg rolls. It's actually the buffalo chicken dip, but when I saw the recipe on like tutorial on how to make it, the filling was really thick. So I think it would just work better as like an egg roll, because a dip to me is like something creamy, cheesy. It's like a loose thing, like salsa or like actual nacho cheese or like guacamole. That's a little bit thick too, but it's still loose enough to actually be a dip. The ones that I've seen were really packed with chicken in it. So today we're going to be making buffalo chicken egg rolls. So with that being said, if you are new here, first off,
oh shit! Hello! It's so good to meet you!
Alright, with that being said, let's get into it. Alright, this is going to be a short and simple recipe. It's going to be even more short and even more sweet because look at this small chicken that I got from Jewel Osco. Like, this is like a baby bird, but hey, it's literally my fault because I'm the one that decided to go grocery shopping the day before Super Bowl. So yeah, this is a small bowl, or yeah, this is such a small bird. Like, I'm literally gonna have to use like half of my, not half of my ingredients, but I'm literally gonna shorten my ingredients by half because of how small this bird is. Oh my gosh! Random as hell. What? Damn. One of my legs folded on a tripod. Ooh, hold on, titties. Okay. Alright. Okay, so this is pretty easy. All we have to do, ooh, wow, look at that. Is just cut the chicken up and shred it with no skin. So I'm really gonna eat this. Y'all don't worry, my wash my hands. This is a clean mat. Yeah. I might end up having to use the wings and thighs because this is so small, but the original recipe just calls for cut off the breast and chop it up. I really shred it up, but yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Amazing. This is super juicy, super tender. This is about $7 at Jewel Osco. Yeah. Ugh, look at that though. I'm not happy to cut this.
This is so tender, I don't really have to use my knife. Wow. Why am I so surprised? Because I don't cook. Like, this is, I don't cook or bake. Like, I go out to eat all the time. Like, so this is kind of really gross, but cool at the same time. I have to respect it. This was a dead thing. I mean, this was a living thing. So I have to respect this body. But I'm cutting it and cutting it. You know what, Grace? Like, come on now. Ah! I heard a crack! Did I break his spine? I broke his spine! I broke the back! Oh! No, I just heard. No, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. And this is why I eat boneless chicken! I'm gonna deal with this shit, man. I'm tired of this, Grandpa. Well, that's too damn bad. Ooh, look at all this meat. Wow. Wow, this is amazing.
Okay, so the next step is to have 1 cup of ranch, but since this seems kind of small to me, we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of ranch. And if it needs any more liquid ingredients, I'm just slowly add it on. But guess what? I don't like ranch. The only ranch that I like is Wingstop. Yes, I did go to Wingstop and ask for 2 large containers of ranch, and they said they didn't have that. So instead, look at this. Y'all see? Listen, I have 10 things of ranch, and it's so good. It's worth it to me, okay? I really am a blue cheese girl, but I didn't really want to alter the recipe like that, so instead I just upgraded, because some people were talking about get some Hidden Valley ranch. No, babe, we're gonna go and get Wingstop ranch, okay? So I'm gonna fill this up to the 1/2 cup line, and yeah. Are you serious? I know I did not buy 10 things of ranch just for 2 of this. You know, I did actually buy this for the amount of 1 cup, so I kind of did get worthwhile. 1/2 cup of this, 1/2 cup of ranch, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is 1/2 cup of Frank hot sauce. Okay, now that our filling is done, we are going to be using Frida's egg roll wrappers. I was reading this, and it says to preheat oven to 425 degrees. I thought you're supposed to put these in the deep fryer, but yeah, I'm going to see if I can just put these in the deep fryer because I feel like that'd be quicker. I'm super excited. This tastes so good. I season it to my liking and all that stuff because I really like spicy stuff. So this is a super buffalo chicken rolls. So this is the tricky part though. I ain't never ever done rolled an egg roll or created an egg roll. I think the closest thing I've ever done was made homemade crab rangoon, but I've never actually, I haven't even made a burrito. So hopefully this is easier, but we're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out while y'all watch me. Okay, so I don't have that much oil to do the deep fryer, so I am actually going to bake it. So in the video that I watched, they said that you don't have to use egg whites or egg yolk to seal it. You just seal it with water. So that's what I plan on doing because I don't got time. I'm struggling. Wow, so simple. Okay, so the lady said to literally do it like an envelope. You get a small scoop. Don't do too much. And you have it kind of in the center, like far out in the center. And you want 1, 2. I think you're supposed to like roll it. Put down. Bitch, I'm confused. I forgot. Hold on. I think do this. Right. There we go. Yep. And then 1, 2. Yep. Yeah. That sounds about right. Just a little bit more water and a little bit more tucking. Alright, so I'm gonna try that again because now I feel confident.
Water the edges. Just dampen it. Don't make it into like dough all over again. Alright. Let me turn this around.
There we go. It's supposed to be a little bit more bigger like that. And then we tuck it. Yeah, just like that. Just like that. Okay, you see it? Like that. And then we're going to fold this. Let me get some water out. Fold this. Fold this. Hey! 1, 2, 3. Bam. This is thick. Like me.
Boy, if you don't get...
Okay, this is good. I like this. Now this is, I don't know why it's kind of bent like that, but hey, we're gonna seal it, seal it, seal it, seal it, seal it.
Not me being a pro. I'm in love. I love it so much. Wow. I think I need to tuck a little bit more stronger. Oh, bitch, no! No! Oh my gosh. Now, these are very delicate. Be careful. These look good too. I think I'm gonna stick. Hold on. I put the setting for orange. I don't know why it's giving this. Oh, bitch, don't do that. Bitch! It kind of broke a little bit. But I do like this size. I'm going to continue with this.
I have left. I think I have maybe like 2 or 3, maybe 4 more egg rolls I can make, but I'm gonna wait. So now the next thing to do, honestly, oh, this is some hot ass air. Whoa, I was not expecting that hot ass breeze. The breeze of dragon, the devil. Okay, so now I greased it. Now it's time to put it in the oven for 12. Okay, timer 12 minutes. All right, if the clock is ticking, that means it is done. Oof, oof, oh Jesus. It's not really that brown, so I'm gonna keep it in there for another about 5 minutes. All right, it has, bitch, damn. Okay, I'm getting, okay, it is getting a little bit browner, which I like, so I think I am gonna stop it. Y'all think I should keep it in more? I mean, it's getting a little bit brown, but it is kind of pale. I think I'm gonna turn the oven off and then I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes because I really want it to be brown and crispy. All right, and there you go, guys. Buffalo chicken egg rolls with Wingstop ranch and red hot Frank hot sauce. Let's try it. Okay. Okay. One thing I will say is it's a little on a saltier side. I don't know if it's because I seasoned it with onion powder, pepper, garlic powder, all that stuff. But it's good. It's spicy. It still has like I don't know. I think. Damn, hold on. I think I should have added more green peppers to it because right now it's spicy. I'm only tasting like salt and spice. You know what I'm saying? Maybe that's my fault. You know, this is my first time using Frank Red Hot. Literally every video that I saw was recommending Frank's Red Hot sauce. Usually I'm a Louisiana girl, but honestly now I really like spicy stuff, so I don't even use Louisiana hot sauce no more. I use just regular cayenne pepper. But I think this does have like, yeah, this is cayenne pepper sauce. So when I did try this was a little bit salty, but not to place blame, because who knows? Who knows what the fuck going on? But I'm most definitely gonna try it with the Wingstop sauce, the Wingstop ranch. Let's see. I like it. Another thing I'm gonna say, because this is not a tutorial, even though it said something about baking this for baking this, I would really think I would enjoy this more if it was fried, because this is hard. This is like oh shit, this is like really hard. I don't think I've ever had an egg roll that was like super duper hard like that. It's easy to bite whatever. There's sometimes when you're chewing, you're still getting these sharp edges. So I think next time I make these, I'm gonna use a different type of hot sauce. I'm probably gonna use Louisiana, and then I'm going to put more green pepper in it. I'm gonna fry the egg rolls. So I would give this maybe like a 7 out of 10. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.